In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Zash Loan app. So you may want to troubleshoot your Zash Loan app if you are encountering errors, or if you can't open your app, or if your app is too slow. To fix this, just follow these simple steps. Now, if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by just hitting the like button and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, now there are quite a number of steps you can take for you to be able to troubleshoot your Zash Loan app. In the first method, we are going to access the app information page, and you can simply do this through settings. So if I go to settings here and then scroll down, look for the option called apps, then manage apps or all apps. That will depend on the Android version you are using. This will go ahead and list all the apps you have on your smartphone. Scroll down until you find your app, and you can see Zash Loan app is here. You can also search for your app using the search option here. Now from here, tap on your app to open the app info page, and you can see we are on the app info page here, and this is where we shall begin our troubleshooting. However, if you can't access this page, go back and look for your app, and once you find it, just long press on it and you'll see we have app info. If you tap on it again, it will take you to the same page here. From here, we want to clear the app data. So if you go to storage here, you can see we have a lot of app data on this app. Now, of important is cache data. When you talk of cache data, we are talking of small files that your app normally stores whenever you use the app. Now, the accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction, and therefore you need to go ahead and clear these files. So to clear the cache files, go ahead and tap on clear data, and then click on clear cache here, and okay, and your cache files will be deleted. At this point, go ahead and restart your smartphone and then open your app to see if everything is okay. Now, should this not solve your problem, again come back to this app info page, and this time around click on clear all data and then okay, and then you'll have to log in afresh, and this should have solved your problems. However, should you find that you still experience any problem, then you need to go ahead and access this app through Google Play Store and find out if we have any new version of Zash Loan app, and then update your app to the latest version. So I'll go to Google Play Store and then search for my app, and here it is. Then look for any option called update. Should you find one, it means you have been using an outdated version of your app, which might contain bugs and is unsecure. So go ahead and tap on update, and once you are done, now you can open and start using the latest version of your app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.